Come on, open your books. See the point, atomic size. Atomic size. Just we have seen the definition. Read that definition. Read it carefully. For the atomic size, distance between the center of the atom and the outermost shell of atomic radius, that around the atom whatever the cells are there as per the according to the atomic number, how many electrons are there, it go on increasing or decreasing the total number of cells. Now just like the valency, we have to see the trend of change in atomic size in period and in group. Are you written some points in periods and group? Are you get some points? Yes. How the atomic size come in the same table, modern periodic table. See the trend of atomic size in atomic size. First of all, we will see in the periods. Tell me, in period atomic number is going on increasing or decreasing in period? In periods, atomic number is increasing or decreasing? Yes. Anybody? Atomic number will be increase or no? Or it remain or it will be decrease? Come in periods. Open the modern periodic table. Open the modern periodic table and tell me see the elements and tell me either that atomic number is increasing or decreasing. Yes. Increasing. If atomic number is increasing, electrons will be going on adding on the same cell or different cell will be going on increase or decrease. Electrons will be added in the increase in the same cell. That means see what happens, see total number of electrons present in single cell and their nuclear attraction between the electrons will be also most important to find out the trend of atomic size in the period. First see, as the atomic number increases, electrons are added to the same cell. Then what happens? There will be increase in the nuclear attraction between the electrons. There will be the increase in nuclear attraction between the electrons. And these electrons will be pulled towards the nucleus of atom. These electrons will be pulled towards the nucleus of the atom. Then see, therefore, outer cell contracts. And in periods, atomic number increases and atomic size gradually decreases. What I am saying, see, in the period atomic number increases and atomic size gradually decreases from left to right in modern periodic table. This is the most important. See what I am saying, see atomic number will be goes on increasing. If atomic number increases, then what happens? The total number of electrons will be go on adding in the same cell. There is no any chance to get that electrons or to transfer the electrons in the second cell. That means number of cells remains constant. Number of cells remains constant, but the number of electrons in the same cell will be go on increasing. Number of electrons in the same cell will be goes on increasing. That means atomic number increases in the period, but the atomic size gradually decreases from left side to the right side of the our modern periodic table. Okay, now give the heading trend of atomic size. Give the heading trend of atomic size. Right, first in periods. Write it. As the atomic number increases, the electrons are added in same cells. SHELL, same cells. Hence there is increase in nuclear attraction. And the pull of electron, the pull of electrons are closer to nucleus. Therefore outer cell contracts. Change the line and write. In periods, atomic number increases and atomic size gradually decreases from left to right. Now we will see the trend of atomic size in groups. Now just like the periods, tell me about atomic number of the elements in the groups. Either they are increasing or decreasing. Yes. Atomic number. Come in groups now. Tell me, atomic number increases or decreases? Yes. See in the group from top to bottom. Atomic number goes on increasing. Now see the number of electrons in each and every element in the groups and tell me either that number of cells will be remain same or increase. Number of cells will be remain same or it will be go on increasing. If the atomic number goes on higher and higher, automatically what happens? Number of cells also goes on adding. That means number of cells also goes on increasing. If the number of cells, tell me the distance between nucleus of atom and the outermost shell of atom, either it will be more or less. Yes, distance between the it will be goes on increasing, it will goes on increasing. Now this is difference in the trend of atomic size as compared to the our groups. It will be totally different, just like the periods. In the groups, atomic number goes on increasing and increasing from top to bottom. Therefore, number of cells are going on adding and adding. If number of cells are going on adding, that means it increase distance between electrons in the outermost cell and the nucleus of the atom. Electrons in the outermost cells and nucleus in the atom. Now this is the main thing. Now give the heading. Second one, now in groups, atomic trend of atomic size in groups. Trend of atomic size in groups. Trend of atomic size in groups. Put dash and write. As atomic number increases, from top to bottom, that from top to bottom is where? Top to bottom of periodic table. Top to bottom, number of cells are added. Number of cells are added. Number of cells are added. Full stop. It increases distance between electrons in the outermost cell, and nucleus of atom. Nucleus of atom. Therefore, nuclear attraction of electrons goes on decreasing. See in the line. In a group, atomic number increases. In a group, atomic number increases. And now atomic size will be increase or decrease? Atomic increases from top to bottom. Atomic size increases from top to